In this video we will have a look at how to hide content on your Samsung phone, and to do this we'd use a feature called private mode, which prevents others from using or accessing specific content such as images and documents stored on your device. So we'll use the example of images, the gallery folder, and to do this the first thing we'll do is go to settings, and from within settings you need to find private mode, and it's under personalization here. So if we click on private mode here, now I've already got it enabled, so what I need to do is disable it to start again. You get a message saying any open content will be closed, any changes that you have not saved will be discarded, so just click OK on that. You can either click OK or you can click here so it doesn't show it again. So you can now see private mode is turned off, and you can see the type of content you can use with private mode. So gallery, video, music, voice recorder, my files as well. So what we do is we turn private mode on. Now it asks me for a pin, but the first time you do this it takes you through a kind of a wizard and you'd have to set your pin up. But I don't need to set my pin up, I've already got one, so my pin's 1122. If I press done, there's another message, so it gives us the option to change my pin or even change the format to a password or a pattern, etc. But I'll click skip here, and you can also click here to change your pin, so it takes you to that screen 1122, continue, and then you've got the option to change it from here. So if I go back now, if I go to apps and gallery, I see my pictures here, so I see my folders with all my pictures. And this FW one, because it's only got one picture, I'll use this as an example. So if we keep our finger on it so it's selected, and we can do this for any of those, so we can select the others as well. But what we can do from here for this one is we can click the three buttons at the top right, then we can go move to private here. So you can see it's moved it to private, and that's done. So the next thing we'd do is we'd go back into settings, and then we go to private mode, and then what we'd do here is we'd turn it off. So click OK on the message, and then you can see private mode turned off with the message there. So what we'd do now is go back to gallery, and then looking at gallery you no longer see the FW folder, so it's hidden now, so you know private mode is working. So if we go back to settings again and private mode again, and if we turn it back on and we specify our pin, right, so we've turned private mode on again. Now if we go to gallery again, and you can see the FW folder again, you also see a padlock sign, which means this folder's been tuned for private mode, or it's part of the private mode feature. So what we can do is if we click on it, we select it, maybe you want to take it off private mode. So the way you do that is if you click the three buttons again here, and you can do remove from private, and now it's off private mode again. So that's it from this video. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.